Let's take a look at the AFL-CIO and the SEIU. The AFL-CIO is a voluntary federation of about 57 labor unions in the United States. For many people in the United States, the AFL-CIO is synonymous with the word union. There are three layers of the AFL-CIO and most other U.S. unions. The worker joins the local union, to which they pay dues. The local is in turn a single chapter of the national union. The Service Employees International Union, known as the SEIU, is an organization of more than 2.2 million members. The SEIU includes the largest healthcare union with more than 1.1 million members, including nurses, LPNs, and doctors, and the second largest public employee union with more than 1 million local and state government workers. Union Federation membership is in flux. Some years ago, the SEIU, the International Brotherhood of Teamsters, and Unite Here left the AFL-CIO and established their own federation called the Change to Win Coalition. The departing unions represented over a quarter of the AFL-CIO's membership and budget.